Here's a complete and realistic guide on how to make a living from a 100% automatic shoe cleaning machine. What is a 100% automatic shoe cleaning machine? A fully automatic shoe cleaner can brush, polish, and sometimes even dry shoes with no human intervention. There are several types, actually. Public station, self-service kiosk, personal or office model. Profitable business models. Pay per use with public machines. Install in high-traffic areas like malls, airports, hotels, train stations, and universities. Revenue is usually between $1 and $3 per use, and you should aim for 5 to 10 users per day, per machine, at minimum. So, let's talk about monthly subscriptions for businesses. The main targets here are hotels, offices, gyms, salons, and religious centers. You can lease or sell the machines and then, offer a maintenance service for a monthly fee. Another approach is to import and resell machines. You'd import machines from China, Germany, or South Korea, and then resell them locally. For this, your main targets are luxury hotels, airlines, and businesses. Margins can range from 30 to 60% profit per machine. Another way to scale up is by creating a franchise or branded network. You could develop a branded kiosk model plus a mobile app. This way you can offer mobile payments, subscriptions, and even loyalty perks to your customers. Alright, so what does it cost? We're talking about a few key items. Basic machine imported, pro machine with payment system, import costs, branding, kiosk design, and, if you want, a website and app. Each of these has its own estimated costs, so it's important to factor them in when planning your budget. So, where can you actually buy these machines? Well, you can check out platforms like Alibaba, Made in China, or global sources. Some of the trusted brands in this space are Hute, Elite, XPEL, and Shoeshine Machine India. Just make sure you know that the machines have CE or UL certification, come with a warranty, and are compatible with either 110 or 220 volts. Alright, let's talk about the best places to install the machines. The top performing locations are shopping malls, mosques or temples, hotels, especially 3 to 5 star ones, college or university campuses, subway or train stations, office building lobbies, hair salons and spas, and also events or trade shows. It's a good idea to start with 2 or 3 machines in test locations in your city, like Montreal for example. But always make sure you have permission first. So is it profitable? The answer is yes if you install the machines in the right places and manage them well. For example, if you have 10 users a day, each paying $2, that's $20 a day. Multiply that by 30 days, and you get $600 a month. If you have 3 machines, that's $1,800 a month. With those numbers, you can break even in 2 to 3 months. So let's talk about marketing and customer acquisition. It's important to use a catchy brand name like, for example, Shoebot, CleanStep, or Fresh Kicks. You can hand out flyers or business cards nearby to get the word out. Doing live demos at fairs or markets is a great way to show people how your service works. Make sure you're active on social media, and don't forget to use location tagging. Also consider developing a mobile app to help customers locate stations and pay easily. And finally, loyalty cards or SMS promo codes can really help keep your customers coming back. Okay, so let's talk about legal setup and permits in Canada, specifically Quebec. First, you need to register your business and get your NEQ. Make sure you have business liability insurance. That's super important. If you're planning to place your machines in a public space, you'll need to get a city permit. And don't forget to create contracts with your location partners, like mall owners, hotels, and so on. Alright, now for machine maintenance. You'll want to do weekly cleaning, and remember to refill the polish or cleaning liquid regularly. It's a good idea to inspect the moving parts, brushes, and motors every so often. If you prefer, you can hire a technician or even outsource the maintenance, whatever works best for you. So here are some concrete steps to get started. Begin with market research in your city to figure out the demand and best locations. Import 1 or 2 machines as a test run. Install them in public or partner spaces. Next, create your branding. That means your business name, logo, flyers, maybe even a mini site. Set up your payment method. Cashless options are usually best these days. Make sure to collect customer feedback to improve your service. You can also launch subscriptions or rental models if that fits your market. Then, scale up to 5 to 10 locations and eventually expand into a mobile network or even a franchise model. Yes, you can definitely make a living with automatic shoe cleaning machines if you choose high-traffic, convenient locations. It's important to deliver a well-branded, reliable service. Keep innovating, like offering mobile payments, loyalty programs, and creative marketing. And of course, maintain the machines well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.